How to download Wink Video Enhancer on iPhone. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your App Store. First of all, you should know that the Wink Enhancer app is only available to the limited countries. So if you search for the app and if it is not available to you, then what you want to do is click on your profile at the top right corner. Tap on Change Country or Region. Tons of different countries will be available to you. Select the country in which this application is available. Once you click on the country, now tap on Agree at the top right corner. It will ask for some of your information. First of all, select your debit or credit card. Then you have to enter your phone number. After that, enter the number of your credit or debit card and also enter the expiration date. Don't forget to enter security code. Once you are done, scroll down and you have to enter the detail for your billing address. In here too, don't forget to enter your phone number. Once you have entered all of the information, tap on Next at the top right corner. The country or the region has been successfully changed. Now in the search bar, search for Wink Video Enhancer. You will be able to see that this application will be available to you now. All you want to do is tap on Install and then install it on your device. You have to wait for the process to be completed. And once the process has been completed, it will be successfully available on your device. And you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can download Wink Video Enhancer on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.